Hey everyone, let's talk iOS 26.3.1, Apple's brand new update that just dropped for all supported iPhones. I'm going to quickly walk you through what's new, what's fixed, and whether you should update right now. First off, how do you get it? Super simple. Just head to Settings, then General, then Software Update. If you don't see it, swipe down to refresh, or back out and try again. The update's rolling out globally, and for me on the iPhone 17 Pro, it was a little under 100 megabytes. So, pretty quick to install. Now, what changed? The headline feature is support for Apple's brand new Studio Display 2026 and the Studio Display XDR. If you're one of the few lucky enough to have those shiny new monitors, you're now good to go. Just plug in and enjoy those insane specs, 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 2000 nits of brightness on the XDR. But what about everything else? Honestly, there's not a ton of visible changes. Apple says there are no published security fixes in this update, which is pretty rare. That probably means they'll reveal details later. But for now, nothing major on the security front. Performance-wise, things are looking good. I noticed the OS feels smooth. Opening the app library, jumping between apps, swiping around, it's all really fluid. If you had that annoying stutter bug, this update might be your fix. The keyboard on my iPhone 17 Pro is snappy, no lag at all so far. But if you're on an older device, I'd keep an eye out to see if it's improved for you too. One bug that's still hanging around though, the wallpaper sometimes desaturates when you swipe home. Not a deal breaker, but it's there. Also, if you use Apple CarPlay and had disconnect issues, I haven't been able to test it yet, so let me know in the comments if you notice any difference. No modem firmware updates this time, so your cell connection should feel the same as before. Thermals are pretty stable. My iPhone 17 Pro after a benchmark hovered around 35 degrees Celsius, which is totally normal. And if you're into benchmarks, I got a single-core score of 3,811 and multi-core at 9,877. Solid numbers. Battery life? Too early to say for sure. I'm seeing the usual battery drain so far, about 54% for 3 hours of heavy use, but it's only day one. A couple quick notes. If you're on the iOS 26.4 beta, you actually won't see this update. You'd have to downgrade to install it. And if your device only supports iOS 18, there's a separate 18.7.6 update for you. So should you update? If you want the latest bug fixes and performance tweaks. Or, if you're grabbing a Studio Display, absolutely. Otherwise, it's a safe, routine update that keeps your iPhone running smooth. Got questions or want to share your experience with iOS 26.3.1? Drop them in the comments. I'll check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.